Ile o mavero veo mekaso.
Urhobo ado amle Urhobo isiri kokori mi yagbari. Edono na owo une ovo raswa une rofowi. Ekebovo une na. Or takbale the spirit of resilience that the Urhobo man has. Urhobo does not give up easily. Urhobo does not give up easily. Back na. Zokpo, urebulewelio, zokpo, urebulewelio, zokpo, urebulewelio, zokpo. He said, yeah, it escapes, yeah, it goes. Say, even though the tree is slippery, the monkey still escapes. Still goes out the same. From then, I know. Upenogwe awato wiona. Emwigwe bufe wale la gonolwe. Okay, doctor, but I'm gonna come up with Akbona. Akbawle. Omlena. Walk bawle. Jokbo, so you regular la jokbo, better than jokbo, uregulier jokbo. Urhobo chekbo, avec ekpo vefe, avec ekpo ve o makpokpo, avec ekpo usi o mamusi. Oikine na vas away la jobuna. Against all odds. Uregulier jokbo. When you think you made some bad business moves, don't give up, guy. Although we start the lawyer, although we can end the lawyer. Yes, maybe last year there were some bad business moves you made. Forget it, guy. You're not the first person that did it. You will not be the last person. In that darkness, you see the light at the end of the tunnel. And guess what? They can move. No, nobody will take the light from me. Omena, chokbo. Anure gulie nwere chokbo. Ona bo mi muro ko wanu na. We wudu na. We yiwaro. Urhobo mo evio. Mo evio yiwaro. Aba mo evie. So, look around. 24 kingdoms. Do you know why we got 24 kingdoms? Do you know why we do not have one king that is ruling over the whole of the Urhobo territory of Urhobo? We were born princes. Omlena, we are princes. Jowoka obole urwemu romo ovielwe. Omlena, owoka urwemu romo ovielwe. One of them is being daring, being audacious, being confident. Woyiwaro bolwe. And not only that, also having integrity. So you know that jokbo,
Ile o mavero veo mekaso. Ile o mavero veo